Hi everyone, I'm James Italio and today I'll be sharing my thoughts about learning diversity and individual differences, focusing on differentiated instructions and flexible learning modalities. We all know that every student learns differently. Some like to discuss, others love to create, and some learn best by solving real life problems. That's why teachers need to use various strategies to make learning inclusive and engaging for everyone. Differentiated instruction means adjusting how we teach so that every learner can participate and succeed, no matter their strengths, learning styles, or pace. It's not about making separate lessons for each student, but about offering multiple ways to learn and express understanding. One great approach is the cooperative learning, where students work in groups to share ideas and learn from one another. It builds teamwork, respect, and communication, skills that go beyond the classroom. Then there's the presentation method, which gives students a chance to express their learning creatively and confidently. When students share their ideas in front of others, they practice public speaking and organization skills while also teaching their peers. Panel of experts. Another interesting strategy. Here, selected students study specific topics deeply and then share their insights with the class, just like real experts. It encourages research, confidence, and leadership. The KWL or KWH chart helps students reflect on what they know, want to know, and learn. And with all the added columns, they also think about how they learn, actions to take, and questions that remain. This method promotes metacognition or thinking about how we think. Brainstorming let everyone's ideas flow freely. It is a great way to build creativity and collaboration before tackling a problem or a project. And speaking of that, problem based learning and project based learning are two powerful approaches that make learning real and meaningful. Instead of just memorizing, students solve real life problems and create projects that apply what they've learned. It's creative, authentic, and fun strategy. All these strategies represents flexible learning modalities, meaning learning can happen in many different forms, not just through lectures or written tests. They honor the diversity in every classroom and make learning more engaging, interactive, and student-centered. Learning about these strategies made me realize that teaching is not just about delivering lessons. It's about connecting with learners. As a future teacher, I want to create a classroom where every student feels valued and capable. I'll make sure at cooperative activities, problem-solving tasks, and creative presentations to help each learner shine in their own way. Understanding learning diversity taught me that no two learners are the same, and that's what makes teaching exciting. By using differentiated instruction and flexible modalities, we make learning more inclusive, meaningful, and alive. So remember, when we teach differently, we help every learner succeed differently. So that's all, and I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Bye.